Hi, today I just want to make a quick video on how to attach the barrel extension. As you can see, there's a white part here. When attached together, this white part is gonna slide underneath this part. Okay, so as you can see, there are two screws here. Some people will mistakenly think they have to loosen this screw and lift up this part so that the extension can fit in. However, you don't actually need to do this, because by design, we wanted to make this process easy and simple. All you have to do is to line up with the rail and you just put it in. Okay? If you want these two parts to stay strong and good, you just screw it back down and you are good to go. For other part of the assembly, I'm just gonna show you how to do it.